Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I like to carry around with me in my tiny little bag. Now everybody's carrying these kind of bags these days, you know, the bags that just kind of go over your shoulder and look super chic. It's very 90s, 2000s, and all of those trends are back and we all love these little bags. Now I know I've done like videos about my bags before where I used to carry like kgs worth of stuff, and you know, one of the reasons why I used to carry a huge bag was because I used to carry flats everywhere. Now I'm the kind of girl who used to do life in heels, and I always had a backup pair of flats because, you know, realistically your feet start to hurt after a little bit and you need to change into flats. So I always used to carry my huge bags around with me with flats. But nowadays I feel like I have forgotten how to do heels anymore. This lockdown has totally changed our habits, and heels are like an acquired talent. Okay, if you're a novice, if you don't know how to wear stilettos, you would probably want to start with a platform and then move on to a wedge and then move on to kitten heels and then slightly longer stilettos and then go on to your killer heels. You can't just wake up one day and wear 4-inch, 5-inch stilettos and then curse your heels and be like, you are evil, you give me pain. You can't do that because it takes, you know, it takes a lot of exercise for your calf muscles to support your feet at that point. This video is not about shoes. I don't know why I'm talking about heels, but this is the reality. Okay, this is what is going on right now. I have just stopped wearing heels altogether, you know, because of this lockdown. We've all been staying at home and all I wear are Crocs. I'm showing you my ugly Crocs that I like to wear at home, but these are honestly the most comfortable shoes of all time. So now I've gotten used to a level of comfort, and honestly we don't really go out that often anyway, and when I do, I'm probably just wearing some flats or my Crocs or, you know. Anyway, the point is I don't need to carry a large bag anymore because I don't need to carry flats anymore. But on days that I am wearing heels, it depends on where I'm going. If I'm just going out for dinner and I know I'm going to be sitting a lot, then I don't need to have my flats. But if I know I'm going to be standing a lot and I have to be walking, then I need to have my flats as a backup. Girl things. So this is what I'm carrying these days. A lovely black bag with a bunch of snakeskin print on it. You guys know me and animal prints, we go way back. We have a relationship, okay. The other bag that I like to carry is this one, and this is black and leopard print, of course. What else is new here? It's leopard print on the back as well. It looks so fire with my cold shoulder top right now, which is, by the way, from my brand Kadvaria. We actually have a bunch of colors in this cold shoulder top. It shows off your shoulders, looks so pretty, lovely fit. It is super stretchy and super soft fabric. So if you're interested in this top, I'm going to link it down below. You can get it from my website kadvaria.com, and we also have a bunch of colors in this. But yeah, this is what I like to carry on a daily basis. It's either this bag or this bag. This one is even a little smaller than this one. I got this one from Triso Closet on Instagram. I'm going to link them down below. And I got this one from Blush Online on Instagram, and I'm going to link them down below as well. But both of these bags are so pretty. I really love them. I love the fact that the snakeskin goes all the way up to the handle. This actually is a sling bag. It came with a really long strap as well, but I just like to carry it like this. I feel like it looks more chic that way. But I don't have anything right now in this bag because I've been carrying this one currently. So I'll show you what is inside. You know what? I've started watching Modern Family recently, and Gloria is me. Okay. Every episode Gloria is wearing some kind of animal print. It's mostly leopard print, and my eyes are like a filter for leopard print, you know. I can spot leopard print from miles away. So Gloria is me. I really relate to her. I love all of her animal print aesthetic. Anyway, we're going to a tangent again. Let's just come back to the bags. So the first thing I have on my bag are my sunglasses. I cannot do anything without sunglasses. Need to have sunglasses on me at all times. They are super important, and this bag is kind of smallish, so I just like to tuck my sunglasses on the hook right here, or I'm either wearing them or they're sitting on my head like this, but I always need to have sunglasses on me. These are so awesome. These are from Lulu & Sky. Any type of sunglasses that kind of have a flat top, they look really nice on my face shape. I've found I tend to gravitate towards these kind of sunglasses. I feel like they look so fun. Really love them. I got these from Lulu & Sky, and they're rose gold. They're a vibe. Okay, going into it, इस बैग में जितनी जगह है ना, इसमें जितना सामान आ सकता था मैंने सब रख दिया है. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm glad there is a zip protecting all of this stuff, because there's no like organizers or dividers inside this bag. Stuff would just spill everywhere. So I really appreciate the zipper in this bag. And then you open it up and there's just a bunch of things. So the first thing I have is hand sanitizer. Now this is a little travel spray bottle that I got, and I like to keep this in my purse because it's purse friendly, and I just sanitize everything with it. We sanitize everything all the time. It's crazy. I mean, there is no excuse to not carry hand sanitizers in these times. You obviously need to have hand sanitizer, and not just this, you guys. I also have the gel version. This is the Apollo hand sanitizer. So I have the spray version as well as the gel version, whichever feels more convenient to use during the time. But hand sanitizer is the first thing in my handbag, right on top, because usually that's the first thing I want to use if I'm going into my bag. So I like to keep these right on top. Then I have my AirPods. Now I've had these for so long. My husband, then boyfriend, gave them to me on our 9th or 10th anniversary. I don't even remember. I think it was our 9th anniversary, and I've had these for like 2 years. They're so good. I totally recommend them. I'm totally an AirPods girl. I can't go back to like wired headphones. They're just too much trouble. I don't mind charging things that often. I'm good with charging things. It's annoying having to charge a lot of things, but I'm good with it. I try to keep up with it, and I always charge my power banks and everything as well. So it's good if you are someone who can keep up with charging a lot of devices. But if you're going on long haul flights, this is so good. But having said that, I also like to take my wired headphones on long haul flights, because these run out in like 2.5 hours, and then you're gonna need your wired headphones. I know it's like a thing, but I really love them. And this case is also super pretty, so beautiful. Okay, then I have my compact. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade 220 Natural Beige. This is what I use to touch up, and I just use the sponge that they give, which I need to wash probably, but I just use the sponge provided, and I like to carry this powder around for touch-ups, especially because we are wearing masks all the time, and your makeup tends to kind of wear off around your masks. And whenever I take my mask off, I like to touch up my powder and my lipstick and make sure things are looking nice. You know, makeup is maintenance, okay? So that is my compact. Then I have my wallet and keys. This is just a card holder keychain situation. I like to keep a few of my cards and some cash here. If I'm carrying a small bag like this, then I'm not carrying my big wallet. Then I just transfer things into this. Then of course I have my house keys on this keychain. I got this keychain from Masuri, and this is, if you can tell me what this is, we can be friends. Okay, I'm gonna give you 1 minute to understand what this is. This is the Elder Wand from Harry Potter. This is Dumbledore's wand, and I got so excited when I saw this. I mean, this is such a beautiful like item to have, and I keep all of my keychains in this, and I absolutely love it. It makes me so happy looking at this Elder Wand. I can just look at things and say Wingardium Leviosa. I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, if you didn't know that already. Harry Potter is my favorite movie of all time. I can never get enough, and it's magical to me. So I love that I have something to remember them by. Okay, then I have my lip balm. This is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in the peach variant. I also have the berry one, which I love. This is such an awesome lip balm. If you're a fan of the Laneige lip mask, you are going to love this, because you know you have to dig your fingers in the tub and all of that, but this is like the Laneige lip mask in a tube form. It looks like this, so you squeeze the product up top and then you apply it like this. I'm almost out of this one. I've been using this for so long. It lasts really long as well. It's the best lip balm. Okay, just get this. It is amazing. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. Then I have a tampon. I always carry a tampon or a pad if I'm carrying a bigger bag, but if I'm carrying a little bag, I always carry something on me, even if I don't need it. It's great to help out other girls with this. If you're a girl, carry all of this with you. You never know who needs it, and it's so important to help someone else out when they need something like this. Then I have my lipstick, and honestly it's a surprise that it's a liquid lipstick, but this is probably the only liquid lipstick formula I wear, the Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks, and I love this mini little size. It's so easy to pop in my purse, and I have been wearing liquid lipsticks these days because we're wearing masks all the time. They don't transfer onto masks that easily, otherwise you're left with this ugly mess on your lips if you're wearing a glossy lip under a mask. I mean, I cannot even imagine. It's gonna be so bad. So I just wear a liquid lipstick, and this is Huda Beauty Jet Setter. It's a very beautiful baby pinky kind of lipstick. I love it so much. I have actually swatched this in my favorite nude pink lipsticks video. If it's already posted, I'm gonna link it right here for you guys. Definitely go and check it out. If it's not, it's probably going to be my next video up. But yeah, that is Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in Jet Setter. Okay, then I have a little perfume. In my big bag, I would probably carry like a 30 ml bottle of perfume. But in my small bag, I carry these little 5 ml tester sizes. I mean, who's using these at home? These are probably only meant to use when you travel, and they're great to put in your bag in flights and in little bags like this, because they're so easy to use and they're such a little compact size. And this is a very, very, very beautiful fragrance. This is by Versace and it's called Dylan Blue. It's one of my favorite fragrances. It's so fresh but a little bit fruity, but it's incredibly like aquatic. If you like fresh aquatic fragrances but still a little hint of fruity, you're gonna love this. Oh my god, this perfume gives me the feels. Honestly, it is so good. I love this so much. So I carry the little bottle around in my purse. And the last thing I have in my bag is a mask. Now you can never have enough of these. You always need to have a spare mask. What if your mask gets wet or falls onto the ground? You're gonna need another mask. So I always carry an extra mask in my purse. This is from Carvaria. We do have these masks online. They're really, really soft, breathable, cotton, reusable masks. They are double layered. They're really, really soft. You're gonna love them. We have them in a bunch of different colors, matching all of our outfits. You can wash them and use them, and they're super comfortable to wear as well. This is what it looks like. I love the coverage that they give. They're like fully covered and very soft, breathable masks. So I always have one of these in my bag. And that is all. That is all that is in my bag. Now, 2 or 3 years ago, I would have never carried such a small bag unless I was going to a party and I'm only carrying like a clutch. But it's so difficult to imagine life in this little bag, because I'm like a huge bag person who puts like little bags inside of big bags and organizes things inside of my bags, and I'm Monica. But yeah, I've been loving these little bags. They make your life so easy. You're not lugging around, luggage with you. So yeah, that's it for what was in my small bag. What do you carry in your bags? Do you think I can fit something else in there? If I really need to carry something, maybe I will. Let me know what you carry that I am not carrying. We are all nosy that way. We all want to see what is inside another girl's bag. Why are we like that? But we all love and enjoy this content. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, please do. You don't want to miss any future fun videos like this. Don't forget to check out my brand. I do have a bunch of fun, awesome, trendy, hot as hell pieces. This is also from Carvaria, my brand. Everything is going to be linked down below for you guys. If you want to see more of my updates and if you want to see some behind the scenes and stories and fun stuff like that, follow me on Instagram because I do post a lot on there. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'm going to see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye.